In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell website templates with GoHighLevel, a robust platform that allows you to design, market, and sell your own website templates with ease. Let's dive into the process, starting with creating the website itself. First, you'll want to log into GoHighLevel. Once you're logged in, head over to the Sites section in the navigation panel. From there, go to Websites, then click on the button marked plus New Website. This brings you to the versatile drag and drop editor, where you can start building your pages. Use this opportunity to add dynamic sections, forms, booking calendars, and even automation triggers, which are essential for a seamless user experience. One important tip is to design your templates with a specific niche in mind. Whether you're targeting dental clinics, real estate agents, or fitness studios, making your design tailored and industry-specific can greatly enhance your offering's appeal. After you've finished building your website, the next step is to save it as a template. To do this, click on the three little dots found on the completed page of your design. Once you click Save as Template, you'll need to give it a clear and niche-specific name that resonates well with potential buyers. For example, you might call it Plumber Lead Gen Site 2025 if that fits your target market. This helps in setting expectations for your buyers and ensures they understand exactly what your template is offering. Now, once your template is saved, you'll want to package it as a snapshot. Navigate to the agency dashboard, and from there, head to Settings and select Snapshots. Clicking on plus and Create Snapshot will prompt you to select the sub-account that contains your newly designed website. You'll also be asked to choose what elements you want to include in this snapshot. Pages, workflows, forms, automations, and pipelines are all key components to consider. Once you've made your selection, click Create and GoHighLevel will generate a shareable link for you. Next, you want to create a simple yet enticing sales page for your template within GoHighLevel. Navigate to the Payments section, click on Products, then choose plus Add Product. Set a fair price that reflects the value of your template, and connect Stripe to facilitate transactions smoothly. It's always a good idea to think about what makes your template unique and communicate that clearly on your sales page. Afterward, you'll want to create a thank you page accompanied by the snapshot delivery link. Lastly, you'll build a workflow where the trigger is a completed purchase and the action is an email that sends the snapshot link to the buyer. With everything set up, it's time to drive traffic to your sales funnel through channels like ads, social media, or search engine optimization. By following these steps, you'll effectively position your website templates in front of potential customers and create a smooth workflow for sales and delivery.